Mami! Ma, Toby's biting. Why? You scared of Mom? Bitch.
You're not dead. Get in the cage. Bro, I see you looking, bro. What the fuck?
This is my new carpet. It's new! Come on, man! No!
I have very important questions to ask each of you. Would you like a treat? Would you like a treat?
You can't get that way. Come on. Come on. Oh. Pepper, the other way. Good girl. Oh, oh, you're so good.
Give me that ass! Shake that ass, man!
Your dog to see their reaction.
Pretending to hit my dog and seeing his reaction.
I'm not gonna do that because I'm not gonna do it. No bite.
Look, here comes the consequence, consequences of my actions chasing me right now. I don't want no consequence. I don't want no consequences chasing me right now. Someone take this consequence. Someone take this consequence and chasing me right now. Jesus, take the consequence. Jesus, take the consequence and chasing me right now.
Can you say I break the rules? Can you say drama? Can you say goodbye?
¿Quién está ahí? ¿Quién está ahí? ¿Quién está ahí?
Kid. Don't worry, little guy. I will save you because you're about to die here. Hey, don't jump on me. Ah!
if you're a bad girl. Yeah, I know. Just because you have the iPhone 12. Yeah, we're taking it away. No more TikTok. Yeah, no more TikTok. No more Instagram. That's it, Maya. You're cut off.
In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost, exit my dog!